मज़ा आया। और मैं ये जो मज़ा है हिंदुस्तान के हर व्यक्ति को देना चाहता हूँ।
Yeah, this a genius. Straight from the country, right there with my kinfolk. Goes in my mouth, and they put 26 years on benzos. Dirt roads, backwoods, they got weed, but I been though. Ratchet, nigga, we act cool, but I'm getting money with these white folks. Sipping and I'm faded, super medicated. Said she